Diet changes to reduce inflammation pain. Want less daily pain without another pill? Let's think about your plate together. In the next few minutes, I'll show 5 simple diet changes with the science that can help reduce inflammation and ease pain. Try one swap today and tell me which one you'll keep. Why these matters? Chronic pain often links to low-grade inflammation. Changing what you eat can lower those inflammatory signals and make flare-ups less frequent. Big medical reviews show anti-inflammatory or Mediterranean-style eating helps reduce pain and inflammation. What to eat and what to avoid. Swap 1. Choose whole grains, not refined. Swap white bread, white rice, and sugary breakfast cereals for whole grains, brown rice, oatmeal, quinoa. Refined carbs spike blood sugar and fuel inflammation. Whole grains give fiber and steady blood sugar, lowering inflammatory markers. Quick swap, morning oatmeal plus berries instead of sugary cereal. Swap 2, add omega-3 rich foods. Add fatty fish, salmon, sardines, walnuts, chia, or flax. Omega-3 fats help produce anti-inflammatory molecules and have been linked to less joint pain in clinical studies. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week or add a tablespoon of chia to your yogurt. Swap 3. Eat the rainbow: berries, greens, cruciferous veggies. Make your plate colorful. Berries, spinach, kale, broccoli, peppers. These foods are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that neutralize inflammation and protect cells. Simple and powerful. Add a handful of berries to breakfast or a big salad at lunch. Swap 4. Use anti-inflammatory spices: turmeric, black pepper, ginger, taste matters, and so does science. Turmeric, curcumin, and ginger have evidence for lowering pain in osteoarthritis and other conditions. Add turmeric to stews or make a quick turmeric tonic, but pair curcumin with black pepper to help your body absorb it. Swap 5. Cut processed foods, added sugar, trans fats, reduce soda, packaged snacks, fried fast food, and processed meats. These foods contain refined sugar and harmful fats that raise inflammation and make pain worse. Small change: swap a soda for sparkling water with lemon. Quick sample: 1-day plan and recipe. Sample day: breakfast, oatmeal. Lunch: big Mediterranean salad with olive oil plus salmon or chickpeas. Snack: apple plus almonds. Dinner: grilled fish, quinoa, steamed broccoli. Turmeric tonic, quick: 1 cup warm water, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric, pinch black pepper, squeeze lemon, 1 teaspoon honey. Stir and sip. These small routines add up. Why it works: simple science. Why does this reduce pain? Whole foods and omega-3s shift your body away from inflammatory chemicals and support gut and metabolic health. Over weeks to months, you may notice fewer flare-ups, better energy, and sometimes less pain. How to start? Small, consistent swaps beat big crash diets. If you're on blood thinners, have autoimmune disease, or are pregnant, check with your clinician before starting supplements like fish oil or high-dose turmeric. If pain is severe, sudden, or linked to fever or weakness, seek medical care right away. If this helped, please like and subscribe. What anti-inflammatory food will you try first? Comment below. Let's think about it together.